So, all this time that we've been searching for the perfect fried chicken recipe, and it's been right here all along with my mom's fried chicken. I had this the other night, and I could not believe how delicious it was. It's got moisture on the inside, it's crispy on the outside, full of flavor. Anyway, in order to capture every nuance of how this is prepared so that it's not lost somewhere in translation, I'm going to record the whole process from beginning to end. So, Mom?
Yep. Yes.
You're in the movies now.
Yeah. Oh my God.
So,
okay. First,
what you're doing here is
cutting like this. This way, all the condiment that you put on, they go inside too.
okay. So you're slicing the meat.
Yeah. You make it like a little cut it.
Little
so
cuts.
they go in.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That probably helps cook it when it fries. These
Exactly.
also
Yes, because this way they cook inside.
on the inside. That's
Yeah.
been a problem for us as
Yeah.
well. Sometimes we cook the chicken, it looks perfect on the inside, outside, but then on the inside it's not cooked.
Yeah.
Now, the ingredients that
The
you mix
ingredients.
together.
And this one is not that much. You just take from power. This is pepper, and this is with garlic. This is pepper with garlic. This is
Oh, the pepper with garlic.
oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I put in oregano too.
And then this is lemon pepper, huh?
Yeah, lemon pepper, oregano. I mix all.
You just mix it up. I see.
Mix it all.
Okay.
And it's,
So you just kind of just
yeah.
powder it on.
Yeah, powder it on.
Okay.
This is what they're gonna give you the taste.
That's very simple.
Very simple. And each one you put them on a little bit of each. Yeah.
Okay. So it's very direct.
Yeah.
Simple ingredients.
And I don't use, most of the people using breadcrumb. I don't use breadcrumb. I use the flour, the regular flour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The primary ingredients.
And
Then we said is that.
gonna be the flour.
So from this point on, it just sits for a half hour.
That's all.
Okay. So we're gonna stop now. Okay.
A little bit of this gonna put very little.
A little bit of what? Vinegar?
Vinegar.
Oh, okay. Don't put a lot.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't put a lot. I put them on, let me see what a little thing.
About a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Tablespoon?
Half of this.
Okay, that's about 2 teaspoons. I don't know, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Okay, that looks like a
It's
teaspoon.
not much.
Okay, so a little bit of vinegar,
Yeah.
just regular plain vinegar.
That's it.
Okay.
Not much.
Okay. Okay. And there you go. And then you just
Just mix it like this.
so kind of like a little marinating
They get
here
it all
now.
together.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it.
And that's it. See you in a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna try this now. We're about to
Yes.
start frying.
Now it's
Mom is coating them in flour.
perfect. Now it's perfect.
Okay. And she's already has the oil preheated. So does this have a light underneath?
I guess, but I never used
You never use it. Okay. And what oil did you end up using here? Your canola oil?
Yeah,
The
canola.
the mazola
That's
oil.
the only one I have now. for the
Okay.
moment. So I use the same one.
Okay.
But I don't think with this any problem. I don't think that any problem.
Okay. So it's under high heat?
There wasn't the high.
And so you lowered it a little bit?
Yeah, because the oil has to get hot. And if you put it in low, they take too long.